super delicious Afghani chicken kebab. I hope you would like it. If you have not yet subscribed it, please feel free to subscribe my channel. Take 18 to 20 soaked and peeled almonds, 2 green chillies, grind it coarsely. Add 3 tablespoons water and make smooth paste. Take 6 chicken drumsticks. Cut it like this. Take 5 tablespoons hung curd, a half teaspoon black pepper, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons garlic ginger paste, and previously prepared paste. 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 1 teaspoon kasoori methi powder, 2 tablespoons oil. Add 3/4 teaspoon garam masala as well. Mix well. 1½ teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add chicken drumsticks. Coat it well. Marinate for at least 3 hours in refrigerator. After 3 hours, take this out. Mix well. Apply butter in preheated air fryer. Place 1 by 1 in air fryer. Set at 200 degrees C for 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, stop and apply butter. After 2 to 3 minutes, stop and flip it. Apply butter. Now set for 12 minutes at 180 degrees C. Keep on flipping after each 5 minutes. Once ready, take this out. Delicious Afghani chicken kebab ready. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.